Ammanford Football Club is Platinum accredited, the highest accreditation awarded to clubs. They are an integral part of the community, providing participation and volunteering opportunities for all, regardless of age, gender, ability. The club boasts several teams from children and adults, which also includes a pan-disability team. Coaches and volunteers are fully supported to have opportunities to develop their skills. During COVID, the club created a Welsh FIFA tournament during lockdown, bringing 128 clubs from all over Wales, raising £2,000 for the NHS.
Mae gan Clwb Pêl-droed Chwaraeon, Clwb Platinwm gyda Cymdeithas Pêl-droed Cymru, grwpiau oedran o dan 7 oed hyd at oedolion ar gyfer dynion a menywod, ac maent yn cynnig cyfleoedd i chwaraewyr a gwirfoddolwyr ddatblygu. Gwnaeth y clwb bob ymdrech i barhau i gynnal sesiynau yn ystod Covid a sicrhaodd bod pob dim yn gweithredu yn unol â'r canllawiau. Yn ogystal â hyn, llwythwyd sesiynau ffitrwydd wythnosol a heriau misol llawn hwyl i annog chwaraewyr i gadw'n egnïol.
Llanelli Warriors, a mixed ability club, actively encourages players with disabilities and those who have little or no experience of playing rugby to become members, who then gain confidence in the sport of rugby. Coaches are recruited from the players both with and without learning disabilities who can follow the WRU coaching pathway. The club encourages players' family members to volunteer and to get involved with various roles. The club assisted the WRU in setting up a virtual clubhouse which connects the Welsh mixed ability rugby community with similar clubs across Europe.